Stick fighting training. We get a lot of new people that want to come and do Filipino martial arts, and so I want to do a quick video on several mistakes that new Filipino martial art weapon people do. So I got Miss Erica here. She's going to help me with some of this stuff. So let's say she's in her stick fighting lead. Switch legs. Okay. So the first big mistake that I see is don't move. Okay. When the people will say, "Hey, I'm going to attack you," they swing not at the person, okay? So it's really hard for her to do her block when I'm not in front of her. I need to make sure the stick is coming at her. Now the block makes total sense. But if I do my swing out here and she blocks, it's gonna make all her structure really weird and makes no point. So that's your first big mistake that I see with a lot of new Filipino martial art people is they'll swing and they're not swinging at the person. So if she takes a swing, it needs to be coming at my head or my collar, depending on what your target is, but just where it's coming at me and not where it would totally be passing. That's the first one. Second thing, okay, is going to be short-changing it. So again, she's in her weapon, she's in her lead, and I'm going to swing, and I keep almost like I'm afraid to hit her, so I go like that. But again, so when she tries to defend this, go ahead, do your defense. It's really weird. Like, you gotta be willing to put your arm out there a little bit to make the technique work. So besides me swinging over here, I also don't want to shortchange because again, as we're doing this drill, even if let's say we're gonna do the X pattern. So we're just gonna go X pattern, 1, 2, like that. If I go like this, it's kind of hard for her to do her drill. So keep that in mind. That's the second big thing. Now, when it comes to defenses, when she goes to hit me in the head, okay, it's perfect. So she's actually aiming for me, not off to the side, not afraid. And then I'm using the Guro Ron Balicki or the Guro Ron Balicki sticks. These are those foam ones that he makes. These are really nice. These are probably some of the best sticks I have found when it comes to training and I don't want to actually hurt my friend because you can get hit a little bit and it's not so bad. So there you go. I got a hard head. Now you know it. All right, so what happens is I want to move off the line. And when I do this roof block, a lot of people will stick their fingers up. Either they're going to grab like that, which now gives her a secondary target, or when they go like this, they're putting their fingers up. And again, when her stick comes down, she's going to blast me. So when you roof block, you're actually going to hide underneath your stick so the next move could happen. So don't be like this, because that's going to hurt, okay? Don't be like that, and surely don't be like, oh yeah, weapon hand first. Always go stick first. And again, you're hiding. Now, traditionally when we do this, we're talking about actually I'm shooting towards her eyes. So again, I'm still hiding under my weapon, but I know you can't always shoot for their eyes. So just kind of tuck yourself under your stick, okay? And then finally, the last one on the defensive side, as she feeds me, I don't want to try to block with my hand and then put the stick in front. I want the stick to do the defense, and then the hand will come into a position after that. But notice it's going over the top, not under. Again, if this was like a machete like it's supposed to be, if I'm here, just cut myself and then she's got the inside line. So I want to be here to here, okay? Now looking at a couple patterns. So we talk about EKIS or the X pattern. So remember I said to bring it out and to be aiming towards their head. Perfect. And now if we go to high, low, high, we go high, low, high. So here's the next big mistake people make. When they go down, they flatten their hand out. See how she's got her knuckles kind of facing me like it was a blade? I would be going this way, and then the last one is they come up back of your hand. And if she turns her hand a little bit and pushes just a little bit more, it actually can push my stick out of my hand. So make sure you're angling the blade towards what you would be trying to cut. You don't cut steak with the side of your knife. Okay, you're not like, you're cutting. So here, 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 and I'm moving this leg out of the way because that should be a leg shot, and that would be what it is. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Did you guys see what she's doing? She's moving her back leg back. It's kind of cute. There you go. That's funny. But you get the idea. So there are a handful of core mistakes that new people in the Filipino martial arts system do. So don't shortchange your stick. Don't aim for their ghost. Okay? Don't defend with your fingers up higher than your weapon, okay? Make sure you also are moving off the line a little bit. And then finally, make sure you're using the blade side of your weapon, not the backhand side of your weapon. Thank you, Miss Erica.
Thank you.
Cool. Well, you made the end of the video. You know what I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask that you hit that like button, just a little hit, and then you're going to smash that subscribe button. And then please do me a favor, put a comment in the section. We have a pretty low comment ratio, so I'd be curious to see if you guys have done Filipino martial arts, if you've made these mistakes, or if you know people that have done these mistakes when you're trying to help them learn. Cool. You guys stay safe, keep training, keep your sticks up. This is Guro JD, and I'm out. Thank you, Erica.
Bye.